If you've ever watched the film Gulliver's Travels or The Lord of the Rings, you might be wondering how the filmmakers make people look really small or tiny in movies. The technique we're talking about here is called green screen or chroma key. Green screen is a common and popular effect heavily used by professional filmmakers in post-production. It can be used to create lots of interesting and amazing special effects, making the impossible look plausible. This once advanced technique has now become accessible for filmmakers at all levels, and it's much easier than you could ever imagine. In this video, we are going to show you how to create the illusion of tiny people in your video within minutes using Wondershare Filmora. You'll need a camera, a tripod, and a piece of green sheet. Step 1. Shoot your video footage. To get started, we will need to shoot 2 video clips. One is the background video, and the other one with the actor and will be used as foreground. Here, we shoot a video about a cute cat, and we are going to use it as our background video later. Next, find an empty place outside in a sunny day. Hang the green sheet up. Once the shot is set up and everything is in place, the actor starts to perform on the green sheet. Make sure to shoot the second video footage from the same shooting angle as the first one, so that the final video will look plausible. Once we combine it with the background video. Step 2. Edit your video footage. Once you've captured your video footages, it's time to import all the raw footages to Filmora for editing. In case you don't have Filmora installed in your computer yet, click the link in the description below to visit the website filmora.wondershare.com and click the free download button. Here is the interface. First, import all your footages to the media library here. Drag the first background video to the timeline. And cut off unwanted parts before this frame. And double-click on it to bring up a setting window. There, we can adjust the brightness and contrast to enhance our video a bit. Then drag the second clip to the PIP track. Right-click on it and choose Green Screen from the drop-down menu to bring up a green screen editing window. Check Make parts of this video transparent. The green color in your video clip is now made transparent, and the video is successfully superimposed to the background video. Drag this slider bar to adjust the intensity level to get the best results. As we can see from the preview window, the areas which haven't been covered with green sheet won't be removed and will still show upon our background video. If you don't need that part, simply click to enter the Mask tab here. Choose a square mask to apply, and then adjust the width and height to remove unwanted areas so that your background video could show through and leaving only the parts that you want to be perfectly superimposed onto the background clip. Now, we will see resizing handles around the green screen clip. Drag it to resize the clip to an appropriate size, or move it to any other place on the screen as you want. As we can see, the actor is now made really small compared to the cat in the background video. Except videos, your background can also be a static picture. Harness your imaginations, and you will be able to create lots of funny and amazing tiny people effect in your videos. Not just mini people effect, you can also make a giant people by utilizing the same technique. That's it. Click the link in the description box below to visit filmora.wondershare.com and download a free trial version to get started now.